I'm writing this from a borrowed bed. White walls, quiet in my hand. No neon lights, no pouring rain. Just the echo of my name. I used to say I had control, but control don't fill a hole. I wasn't chasing being high, I was trying not to cry. Every young good I ever said was smoke I blew around my head. I didn't love the bottle, I love what it erased. I didn't love the feeling, I love the empty space. This is me sober, shaking but clear. No more hiding behind my fear. No more one more, no more lies. No more running from my own eyes. This is me broken, but I'm still here, learning to sit with what I feel. It hurts like hell, but I won't run over. This is me. This is me sober. They say to stop like it's that fast, like I didn't build this from my past. Like trauma's not a heavy thing that taught my lungs to barely breathe. The nights were loudest at my skull, the mornings twice as painful. I hated who I was becoming, but stopping felt impossible. I wasn't weak, I was afraid of meeting pain without escape. I didn't love the high, I loved the quiet he gave. I didn't want to disappear, I just didn't know how to stay. This is me sober, shaking but clear. No more drowning, get up by ear. No more one more, no more lies. No more looking through bloodshot eyes. This is me broken, but I'm still here, counting breaths instead of beers. It's not pretty, it's not closure, but this is me. This is me sober. If I call you at 2 a.m., it's not to party, it's to breathe. If I tell you I'm not okay, it's the bravest thing I'll ever be. Some days I still wanna run, some days I still miss the known. But healing isn't loud or fast, it's choosing not to go back. This is me sober, scared but alive, feeling the storm instead of the high. No one, no disguise, no more losing myself at night. This is me healing in real time, learning my pain won't make me die. It's hard, it's stolen on a hangover. This is me, still here, still so